Hi, my name's Alex Copeland and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. And this is another video in our Instant Traffic System course. This one's all about YouTube traffic. Now during this video I'm going to be discussing a cool method and strategy that we use to drive all kinds of targeted traffic to websites using YouTube. Before you start panicking, it doesn't involve creating any videos or anything complex like that, and we're actually going to take advantage of other people's hard work. It works extremely well and I'm sure you're going to love it. Now why YouTube? Well, YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, just behind Google, and they have over 1 billion unique visitors per month, which is a lot of traffic, I'm sure you'll agree. Over 100 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute, and more importantly, there are all kinds of people that have absolutely no marketing skills, unlike us, but their videos are highly ranked and they're getting lots and lots of views, lots of visibility, but they're just not doing anything with it. But that's okay, because that's where this method comes in. We're going to reach out to them and take advantage of it for them. Basically, the method consists of this. We're going to find videos that have a lot of views, but ones that the video creator is not taking advantage of those views, and we're going to reach out to them. We're going to offer them some kind of kickback, whether that's cash or merchandise, to form a partnership and let us place our link to our website in their description. Now I know what you're thinking, it sounds like it should be common sense that someone would have a website link in the description, but believe it or not, it's not that common for people who aren't marketers. They've got a video up there getting all these views and they're just excited about that. So when we come to them and offer them some money to just put a link in that description, it's usually a no-brainer for them because they can't believe their luck. They can't believe you're going to give them some money just to add a link. It's no problem. They get paid, you get a link, and it's a win-win situation. So what we need to do is look for videos in our niche related to our products or to our squeeze page. Now we like to target older videos, ones that have at least 10 to 15,000 views. We want them to have traffic and some views, but obviously we also don't want them to have a link in their description. If they've got a link in the description, then it's pointless for us to reach out because it means they're already good at marketing, or maybe someone else approached them before. So we're looking for someone who has about 10 to 15,000 views and no link in the description. And ideally we want something that's still trending upwards as far as views go. Take a look at the video statistics and find something that's actually gaining views and going upwards instead of falling, as this means the video is continuing to grow and it will be a very profitable investment for us. We reach out to them and we offer them some money or some merchandise to put a link in that description. Now once we find one of these videos that meet our criteria, we want to reach out to them on YouTube or maybe even Facebook if they're using their real name, and we can go and find their profile. We want to send them a message and say something along the lines of, hey, I've got a website that's related to what you're doing. I've got a free course and I'd love to give it to your audience for absolutely nothing. How about I give you a bit of cash and you put this link in your video description? Now obviously the amount you offer them is going to depend on how many views they have and how many views you think they'll get. It also depends on how important or targeted the keyword is. If it's a very common keyword ranking high and getting thousands of views per day, then obviously you offer them more money than if it's only getting a few views a day and it's a really long tail keyword. Depending on how popular and profitable the video is going to be, you could offer a monthly or yearly amount to them to keep your link up there. But hopefully a one-off price will be enough if they go for it. Now not everyone has them and they're not at that stage yet, but if you do have a virtual assistant, this is a perfect method to give them. You can outsource this really easily where they go and find these videos for you. They reach out to these people and they ask about the possibility of putting their link there, and they do all the work for you. But how do we actually find a video that meets this criteria? Well, let's go to Google and search for an example. Let's put how to change car oil and then click on the videos and you will see that there's all these different videos related to how to change your oil. Now let's say we have some kind of mechanics report to use to build up our list, focusing on garages and how to change oil, that sort of thing. So this is the perfect audience for us. Let's click and see if this video meets our criteria. As you can see, this has got a lot of views, 260,000. It's really good, and we see there's absolutely no link in this description. All it says is leaving your oil changes to teenagers at the gas station? Never again. Watch this video to see how to do it yourself. So this is perfect, because they're not taking advantage at all of any of these 260,000 views that they've received. Crazy to us, but it's just something people don't do. So let's have a look at the statistic to see if this is trending upwards. We can click on the more options and then we can click on statistics and it will show us how many views it has over the course of time, and we can see it going up. This means they're continuing to get views each and every day. Now if you saw a straight line, that would mean it's died off a bit, and if it was going down then obviously it was getting worse. But this means they're getting views each and every day, and they've got no link in the description. So this is the perfect video to reach out and say, hey, I'll give you $15, $20 a month to put my link in the description. Explain to them that it's going to redirect to your website where you're offering a free course on car mechanics. Tell them their audience is going to absolutely love it, and at the same time, they're going to get paid just to have it in the description. They say yes, you send them your link, they put it on, you send the money, and then you move on to the next video. Simple, right? You just repeat this and try and find another video with at least 15,000 views and no link in the description, and on and on. When you have your link spread out over 25 to 50 different videos, which are all getting hundreds or thousands of views per day, this adds up to some serious traffic. As I mentioned before, this is also super easy to outsource. So if you don't like the idea of doing this yourself, hire a cheap virtual assistant and they can go out and do it all for you.